Oh, Mr. Unicorn, I'm honestly really, really sorry, but I just have to do this one last thing. Oh dear, I hope this stuffing was worth it. Poor. Oh, wow! This looks so much comfier. Why didn't I think of this before? This is going to be perfect for picking up something that's out of reach, I suppose. I'm not about to just start throwing stuff at him. I'm not about to just start throwing stuff at him.
Curse you, Anna!
I guess I could use some mold for something. Gross. Cheese. Well, I'm not about to eat it, but someone else might. No, that won't work. All right, kitty, let's have a look at this pretty collar of yours. Oh, wow! Getting that All right, kitty, nap time. No, not interested. Even with the extra stuffing? Jeez, you're quite fussy for such a sleepy-looking cat, you know. I think I have the right idea, only maybe it just isn't inviting enough for him yet.
Open this door right now.
I should try something else. This doesn't seem to work. I should try that. Nope. All right, taps. I'm not about. Maybe I'll just. I'm not sure what. Here we are, Mr. Rat. Some, nice, tasty cheese. You ready? Yay! I finally got it. I'll just let him enjoy it. This must be the key to unlock the painting. A safe? Wait, where's the handle? Yoringo? Are you there? Yoringo, I thought you said the button was behind the painting.
Well, yes, but the button is there, I swear. It's just... Well, it's inside the safe. It's simple, don't worry. I've watched Winfrieda open it 100 times. Yeah. The large hole is for a diamond-shaped key she uses. She keeps it on the cat's collar for safekeeping.
Oh, yes, you're right.
And, one other small thing. There's, two locks on the safe, you see. You just, need, Winfrieda's voice.
Your ring, Gil? How am I going to do that?
Now, you'll figure something out, Anna. I'm sure you will.
All right. Thanks, Uringo. I'll go try and open this safe, I guess.
All right, Anna. I'll be here if you need anything.
Empty. Empty. But there's no handle. It must open automatically after the lock. Maybe that's what it is. A spoken password. Well, doesn't hurt to try. Open sesame.
Error. Unidentified voice.
Oh, okay. I guess it does only work for the witch. Nothing's ever easy in this place. But it must open. I think it does, but I don't think it's going to open. These two lights here must be for the two different. Once I figure this out, though, we can finally get out of here. I could try using this to play back someone else's voice. If the recorder wasn't broken, that is. This doesn't seem to work. I can't see how that will help fix the recorder. No. Maybe I should try some.
Open this door right
No,
now.
that won't work. Nah. No, the sink drain is too small to fit my hand in. No, it's too big to fit in the drain. There's got to be another way to get this hair out. No, there's got... No, that... I'm not sure what...
Open this door right now.
The pipe's all closed off. There's nowhere to put it. Maybe I should try something else than telekinesis. The pipe's all closed off. The pipe's all closed off. I should try something else.
Curse you, Anna.
The pipe's all closed off. There's nowhere to put it. I don't think I need any more. I might damage his spirit or something. I don't want to hurt the poor guy. No, I refuse. Poison? More importantly, I really... He is very... It's not bad. It's escape. If I want to talk to the witch, I should... Let's see if I can loosen it up the rest of the way now. Yes! Hope that fall didn't do too much damage. Nice! Seems to be in working order now. Okay. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. That was fun. I I think I best get back to escaping now. No way. I think Mr. Unicorn is... Hi, Ben.
Hello,
I better keep... I think I've done it. I don't think there's anything else No, they're stuck... Wow. I think I've outdone myself with this one. This is surely the most comfy pillow ever. All right, kitty, nap time. Aw, how cute. Looks like that worked. I think I'll hang on to this diamond too. Could come in handy.
Open
You're
this
in,
door
girl?
right now.
Hi again.
How did you say the safe is unlocked?
The large hole is for a diamond-shaped key. She keeps it on the cat's collar.
You're in, girl.
You'll figure something.
I still...
All right, Anna.
Actually, if the safe does need her voice to open it, maybe a recording of it could work. So, how's the weather out there?
What? How dare you? You just wait, child. You'll regret this. Oh, you will regret this.
Yep, that should do it. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due.
Error. Unidentified voice.
What? How dare you? You just wait, child. You'll regret this. Oh.
Finally! It's stuff. Let's see here. An amulet, some blueprints of some sort, and a book of witchcraft. It's full of spells. Oh, what's this? A portrait? This is a little unusual. It's a family portrait, but whose family? And why does the witch have it locked away? The lady looks a bit like the old witch, only different. I wonder if it's a relative of some sort, maybe? The corner has been ripped out, too. Another person was in this picture before. I guess the witch didn't want them in there. I don't know what the witch is up to, but I'm going to hold on to this. These people may be in danger. If I ever find them, I should warn them. Ah, here we are. A button. Well, here goes nothing. Oh, wow. A door. This is it. Our way out. I'll go check ahead before I get Ben in case there's anything that would scare him. No, it can't be. It's just a basement. A dead end. Huh?
Greetings, young one.
Ah! What is this?
Shh.
What?
Shh. And greetings again. What a glorious fate that has brought you to this den.
Oh, thank you?
'Tis so long I have waited in the dust and the gloom. for your ill-fated arrival to me in this room.
You knew I was coming?
Indeed, my dear Anna, for I see far and wide. The witch used me to find you. You had no place to hide.
Oh, I see.
Oh, but where are my manners? Since now you've come hither, I have no name to greet you by, though you may call me Mirror.
Well then, hello, Mirror. Pleased to meet you.
A pleasure, dear Anna. A pleasure indeed. Please, ask me your questions, for I have answers you need.
Do you know a way out of this tower? I worked so hard to get down here, and it's just a dead end.
Ah, yes, the quest you have taken has indeed become dire. Fear not, for the answer lies within an object acquired.
With me? I don't understand. Look, I'm sorry. I appreciate the help. I just don't understand these rhymes. You're only getting me confused, and I'm just so worried about Grandpa. I miss him so much.
Come now, dear girl. Please not be afraid. To help people like you, 'tis why I was made. Watch closely now, for I travel far to bring you the image of your beloved Grandpa.
Really? Grandpa! Oh no, he looks even worse than before.
I cannot create lies. 'Tis the truth I must speak. And the tragic truth is with each day he grows weak.
What can I do, Mirror? Where do I need to go?
Through the witch's dark woods over the east cliffs of snow lies the lonely village of Wunderhorn far down below. Within here these quarters lives a magician of heart pure. Find him, dear Anna, and you shall find your cure.
A cure! I knew it! The village of Wunderhorn. Thank you, Mirror. Really, I can't thank you enough.
But let's not be hasty. You must first take heed. You cannot simply escape, for protection you still need.
Protection? What do you mean?
The witch, you see, she'll never resign. Wherever you go, she will hunt down your mind.
So what do I do?
Once the path to escaping has been found and revealed, you must fashion a spell that will act as your shield.
And that's in this spell book, right?
Turn to page 44, and there you shall read of the spell with such strength that you will meet your need. 'Tis an amulet you cast it on and wear from henceforth. Then all the tricks from the witch can simply be ignored.
Oh, let's see. Wait, all these ingredients, a raven's feather, a strand of hair from the one you need protection from, a blessing from the dead over the cauldron they are in, then I need to heat them to a boil together, and then I need to dip in an amulet charged by the moon. Mirror, how am I going to find all those things here?
Rest assured, dear girl, in this tower, these are strewn.
Well, you can see everything, right? Can't you just tell me where to find them?
Oh, I'm afraid I cannot. I have assisted all I can. The rest of the way is for you now to plan.
Somehow I had a feeling you might say something like that. Is Ben going to be okay? I want to help him, not put him in danger.
It is certain that sorrow is within the boy's tale, but your help, I can assure, will be of avail.
I suppose I see. How did you say I find a way out? You say it's something I have?
Ah, yes, the quest you have taken. Fear not, for the answer lies within an object acquired.
With me? Wait, you don't mean the spell book, do you?
Indeed, it is needed, a crucial element of escape. But the path you must travel still needs to take shape.
I still have a while to go before I can get away from here.
Indeed, brave child. I'll be here when you're stuck. With your search, though, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, Mirror, for everything. The Witch's Cauldron, where all the magic happens. I'm missing some things for the spell. I still need a raven's feather, some of the witch's hair, a blessing from the dead. Then I'll finally be able to get far away from this wicked witch. It's all pretty gross-sounding stuff. Eyes of newt, lizard's gizzards, vampire blood? Blah, so gross. I can't actually reach. According to the layout of the house here, there used to be a chimney going down into my bedroom, above the table in the corner. If the witch patched up the roof where the chimney was, I wonder, maybe it's weak enough for me to break through it. Just a plain amulet at the moment. According to the spell, I need to somehow charge it with moonlight? Frogs, birds, skulls, the essential things for a witch, I guess. Nope, I don't believe I need any of them. Nope, I don't. So, which book should I have a look at? Party tricks. What does the witch want with party tricks? Looks kind of fun, though. Some neat tricks in here. Alright, let's see here. This seems interesting. Dragons. Dragons are large lizard-like creatures that live within forest caves. They have scaled skin, wings, razor-sharp teeth and claws, and are capable of breathing fire. To achieve this, they will consume kerosene or paraffin, which ignites within their hot bellies. Communicating with the other side. Alright, here we go. Summoning the spirits of the dead. Those who pass on to the other side leave a remnant of their past lives in our world. This will most often come in an object, something close to their heart, their spiritual essence. One of the basic summoning techniques is to take such an object with you to sleep. During sleep, the spirit will seek you out and open communications. An object of someone past. Guide to evil pets. Aha! This is what I need. The common raven. It is not uncommon to find raven nests within rooftops or rafters of cabins and houses. Ravens who have settled down, however, become extremely territorial and aggressive in nature. This is all the more reason why they make an ideal pet for any evil persons. So, so many different shapes and sizes. Big brown bowls, medium gray bowls, small blue mugs. For all your witchcraft needs, I guess.